Good morning, class 5. Myself, Ranjit Kumar. This is the third video of the revision of the second chapter, that is Animal World. So, in last video, we have completed revision till migration. So, according to the syllabus, today we have to see the exercise. Okay. So, I will read each question and then I'll answer. You can see already it has been discussed, but first question exercise first A. Choose the correct answer. The body covering of an animal helps it to option multiple choice. First, prepare its food. Second, move, live in a particular habitat. Third and fourth, hibernate. Answer will be live in a particular habitat. Second question, the breathing organs of amphibians are lungs, gills, body surface. All of these. Answer will be all of these. Frogs and lizards catch their prey by using their forelimbs, sucking tubes, sharp teeth, and sticky tongue. Discussed already, frogs and tongues use their sticky tongue to catch their prey. Insects like lice, bugs, termites move by hopping, walking, crawling, flying. Answer will be crawling. Snakes move through first limbs, second scales or plate, third fins, and fourth claws. Answer will be B, scales or plates. Plant and flesh eating animals are called A. Herbivores, B. Omnivores, C. Carnivores, D. Scavengers. So, omnivores, because the plant and flesh eating animals are called omnivores. An animal or the bird that does not migrate is polar bear, Siberian crane, salmon, locusts. The answer will be polar bear. Okay. Short answer question. What is the natural place of living of an animal called habitat? What are the breathing organ of fish and prawns? Fish and prawns are aquatic organisms, so they breathe through the gills. How do the teeth of herbivores help them in eating? The teeth of herbivores are flat and sharp, which is called incisor, which help them to cut and bite the grasses. What are the functions of the feathers? Feathers help birds to fly. It also protect birds from the harsh weather condition like rain, cold. So it also protect them from cold and rain. How is frog adapted to live both in water and on land? Frogs have webbed feet which help them to swim in the water when frogs are in water, and when on the land, with the help of strong hind limbs, they can hop or jump from one place to another. Second, when they are in the water, means when they are in water bodies, they breathe through their body surface, and when they are on the surface of the land, or when they are on the land, they breathe through the lungs. So these two characteristics help frogs to survive in water as well as on land. What features of the bird's body help it to fly? What are the features that help birds to fly? First, the body shape of the bird is boat shaped. So the bird's body is boat shaped. First. Second, they have hollow and light bones. Light means halka. They have hollow and light bones. Second point. Third point, they have wings in place of limbs, which is connected to the body with the help of strong muscles, which help them to flap the wings. These characteristics help birds to fly. How is fish adapted to live in water? In water, to live in water. Fish body is covered with overlapping scales. First characteristic. Second characteristic, they have gills which help them to take oxygen from water. Means oxygen dissolved in water is taken by the fish with the help of gills. And third, they have fins and tail which help them to swim and change direction. These three characteristics of the fish help them to live in water. Why do animals migrate? Animals migrate from one place to another in search of means to avoid harsh weather condition, in search of food, and for breeding. Give two example of migratory animals. Arctic tern, Siberian crane. Two example. You can also write monarch butterfly. You can also write locusts. Describe movement in the mammals. What is mammals? Means all mammals have four well developed limbs. With the help of these limbs, they can move from one place to another. Human being is also a mammal, but in case of human beings, the four limbs they use to hold any object, and with the help of hind limbs, human beings move from one place to another. Take the odd one giving reason. Lion, snake, deer, wolf. Snake is a reptile. Lion, deer, and wolf are mammals. Cow, rabbit, rat, squirrel. Cow is a mammal. Rabbit, rat, squirrels are rodents. Kiwi, crow, ostrich, emu. Here answer will be crow. Crow can fly, but kiwi, ostrich, and emu are flightless birds. Crow, dog, lizard, camel. Cow, dog, lizard, camel. Cow, dog, and camels, they are mammals, and lizard is a reptile. Quick assignment. Rewrite the following statement correctly. A whale is a fish and it breathes through gills. So if you want to correct this statement, you will write a whale is a mammal and it breathes through lungs. Okay? A whale is a mammal and it breathes through lungs. Crow, pigeons are the flightless birds. You can change the animal, means the organism. Emu, ostrich are flightless bird. Carnivores have well developed incisor. No, carnivores have well developed canines. Birds have teeth to eat their food. No, birds have beak to eat their food. Snake have legs to move. No, snake have scales to move. Okay? Fill in the blanks. The process of burning food with the help of oxygen inside the body is called respiration. The butterflies and bees suck nectar from the flowers with the help of proboscis. The tortoise use their dash limbs to push water, paddle-like limbs to push water. The dash is a migratory bird that makes longest migration. The Arctic tern is the migratory bird that makes longest migration. Match the column A and B. Snail and turtle. Protection by cells means first ka C. Birds. Breathing through lungs. Second ka D. Cow and deer are herbivores. Third ka E. Emu and ostrich, flightless bird. 4 ka A. Reptiles, scales on the body. 5 ka B. Okay, with this all the exercise is completed of chapter 2nd. Still, if anyone have any problem, you can ask in the morning. Okay, thank you.